I'm sorry that I left you. I know you feel alone, but God told me that He needed me. He called me to come home in what seemed to be to paradise, 'cause heaven's now your home. I fought the fight, I finished the race throughout the trial.